here to talk to you about cybersecurity. These days, most of us work from home. As a matter of fact, I'm actually recording this interview from the comfort of my couch. We shop online more than ever before, and cities are also looking into becoming more digital. With that comes cyber threats. And to talk to us about cyber threats, and in particular about an European project that is trying to tackle cybersecurity, I am joined by Paolo Crosta. Hi, Paolo.
Hi, Val.
Paolo Crosta is from Italtel, an Italian telecommunications company that has been for the last 100 years trying to make people's life better via the use of technology. Isn't that right, Paolo?
Right, perfectly right. Italtel was founded in July 1921. So this year is a great year for us, a great birthday for us. 100 years of innovation and a future of further innovation.
Paolo, there are a lot of European projects out there, worldwide projects trying to tackle cybersecurity. Tell us, what makes this project so important? What is the added value of God?
In a context characterized by a growing complexity of business service chains, GUARD has designed a new framework based on four principles. First, security and privacy, perfectly in line with the EU actions, with a specific focus on two main aspects, service integrity and data sovereignty. Second, openness. We know it's a key element in complex environments. Openness towards new communication technologies, towards integration of multiple actors and domains, towards the exposure of security capabilities in all digital services, and so on. Third, a holistic approach based on architecture, technologies, way to automate the operation, to make the system more programmable. And finally, as a result, an end-to-end approach, that's important, by providing assurance and protection for the entire business service chain and not only for a part. These, in short, are, in my opinion, the main values of GUARD.
Excellent, Paolo. Thank you once again. Does that mean then that any segment out there can benefit from it? As we know, and we have discussed a little bit before the interview started, smart cities is one segment that has been heavily benefiting from this project. Healthcare, these days with an ongoing pandemic, there is a lot of talk about the access to data, or mainly the lack of access to data. So can you tell us about other segments on a practical level that are benefiting or can benefit from this project?
Yes, we believe that the GUARD platform will be useful in almost any market. Let me mention three reasons. Almost any market is affected by digital transformation. As you said, Val, at the beginning, it's real. And digital transformation, together with a growing interest in a service-centric paradigm. So security and privacy are key issues to manage for all. External suppliers of resources, application, services are becoming increasingly important. So openness, integration, protection, governance of the systems are key elements. Last but not least, of course, data. Within the data economy in which we are, data value, data sensitivity, data sharing, data sovereignty, important for Europe, and more data capitalization. In conclusion, almost any market has the same basic needs and requirements from a business, but also from a technical perspective. And we believe that GUARD can contribute to provide the right answers. We are considering, Val, other markets as possible targets. Just a couple of examples. Let's take the case of smart energy. The goal is to increase efficiency and flexibility of the system in that market within a multi-stakeholder context emerging business models and a very, very important critical infrastructure to protect, as we know. Or smart manufacturing, where once again there are multiple actors with different technology, many technologies all together, but also with critical processes and industrial data to protect, to share, and possibly to capitalize. Many other examples would be possible, of course, but in our opinion, these are the sectors with the greatest potential impact for the project.
That's very good, Paolo. Thank you. Now, this is my last question for you. Why is Italtel involved in this project and benefiting from it? And mainly, what do you bring to the table?
First of all, I confirm that we are working to exploit the results of GARD in more than one market sector in which we are present, of course, in particular as Italtel, as you mentioned at the beginning, in the telco sector and in the healthcare sector. But in addition, we see potential of GARD also for its openness towards the future technical directions. An example are the new quantum secure communication technology, in particular QKD technology, in which we are actively working. Finally, we believe in creating also a new open source community starting from the project releases, with the aim of spreading innovation in the cybersecurity area in Europe and mostly allowing the involvement of new stakeholders and new developers on the GARD platform. And in this way, continuing the exploitation of the GARD platform in new vertical markets through the development and the integration of new application and services. This is the goal.
Excellent. And Paolo, I'll take the chance to clarify that Italtel is one of the partners in this project. So is Fireware Foundation, and there are many other partners involved. And with that, this is the end of our interview. This is all we have time for today. I want to thank you, Paolo, for talking to us. It was
Thank you,
very
Val.
interesting.
Thank you so much.
And if you want to know more about GARD, if you have questions, at the end of this video, you can find all the contact details. Contact the team, reach out, and learn more about it. Bye for now.